Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jeff Uzodima and I'm a software entrepreneur. I've been entrepreneur for like 5 years now and I've been doing software for 11 years. Right, my channel is created for one purpose only, expression. I want to be able to express and in quote and unquote mentor people who are one, trying to be entrepreneurs, two, are into software and want to be good at what they are doing, the jobs, right? And also, I want to be able to express the things that I'm currently doing and get feedback from a quick channel, right? Because I think it's also important when you are cornered around creating products. So you're cornered around creating software as a service or software as a product for a particular niche that you've identified or whatnot. Okay, so this channel actually have been long time coming. I've been thinking about it for a long time now. I've shifted and shifted and shifted, and I think this is me trying to respond to that Kenyan quote where where the best time to plant the tree was 20 years ago and the next best time is now. So this is me trying to plant my tree now. So with my page, I'm hoping to one, mentor, enlighten, share my knowledge, share my experience in business, and also share the tools that I use and the tips and tricks I have probably gathered alongside it. And I also run trainings, so these trainings I'm also going to be announcing them here. Maybe use this as my freemium for my training platform. Okay, so thank you for stopping by my channel. Thank you for listening to what I have to say. This is my introductory video and I wanted it to be very short and precise, right? Yeah, so thank you for visiting me. I hope to see you in my other video. Cheers, bye.